Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I got another Marine ECM, this time in a MEFI 4. It is a 2004 Thunderjet boat. This is was sent to me by Steve in Washington State. He said it has no fuel pump, no start. So it says not enough grounds going to the fuel pump and to, it's hard to read what it says in here. But I spoke to him and I said that, send it over so I can test it out the computer and see what I can find. All right, so first thing that I do, everything is connected. I got the meter to read the firewall reference and the sensor ground. So let's power this up. All right, first thing I notice, no fuel pump. Okay, this is a bad sign, but we have firewall reference. All right, so just to show this is his computer, I'm gonna put it like this so he can see his information. Let's connect because I don't know if this is a 5057 or what it is, right? So this is a MEFI 4. I'm in Rinda Diacom's software, laptop software. I always recommend to have this if you have a boat, even for yourself. Just go and get it. Make an investment. So a lot of mechanics, they just come with tools and they don't have anything diagnostics. You have your own. You're not guessing what is wrong, and you can immediately check this in your boat. All right, so I'm going to check a little bit of or show you also what kind of test you can do, right? So let's connect first and see if it talks. All right, good sign. We do have communication with the computer, so we can connect. All right, it's a 5.7 liters and it has 267 hours, so very low hours on this computer. Everything is ready. It has 6 trouble codes. All right, let's see what we have. Oh no. All right, so this is when is where I stop. Let's say, because this is definitely something that is going to have to be sent to Bob. Bob in California with OBD Diagnostics is the only one that can do, as far as I know, unless you got your own tune and you have MEFI burn. But if you have MEFI burn, don't fall into buying that and thinking that you can change calibration. No, the calibrations on these computers are password protected. If you remove the calibration, you will erase it. You will have to have another calibration to install. It's not just about having a MEFI burn. You will have to have a calibration. So unless you're a tuner and you can perform something like that, then don't do it. Otherwise, call Bob in OBD Diagnostics. He's the one that can help you with software. I cannot do it. I don't have it. I have not been able to get anything that I can use on 5.7 or 5.0. If I end up ever getting something like that, then I might be able to help you. But when we see this ECM calibration memory checksum, that's pretty much all I can do. I mean, I don't like to see the throttle position sensor voltage low and pump low and injectors low because everything is connected. But when you have a calibration memory checksum error, I cannot take anything as normal. The throttle position is reading 0.94 and I have 7.4%. So this is not low. And we saw in the beginning that we have the fireball reference. So those could be history. Those could be done because of the bad calibration. A test you can do if you want to know, let's say, do we have a bad fuel pump driver inside the computer? So we will have to come into tests, right? The test tab, you have different tabs in here. Let's select that. That's going to disconnect the diagnostic part, and we're going to just click in here, fuel pump. When I do that, we will see if it works or not here. So I'm going to do it. It's going to do it for like 3 or 4 seconds. So, and it is. Okay, so we can see that the computer indeed, we can, with the software, perform. You see this shows us in red in there, and you can see it's very short test, but we can see how the driver is responding, and I can see that on my simulator. So there is nothing wrong with the fuel pump driver. The whole problem right here is the calibration, and as I mentioned before, there is nothing I can do so far when I have a bad calibration. So Steve, I'm going to just let you know that your computer needs to be recalibrated. And as I already mentioned, there is a place you can send it in California. All right, guys, thank you so much for visiting the channel, and I hope that Bob sees this video and I understand and also understand that I'm not ever saying nothing wrong about his business. All I'm trying to tell is my customers and his customers too. As far as hardware, I am the guy you want to reach. And so far, as far as software, he is the guys you need to reach. So if you have to recalibrate or change the calibration in a MEFI 3 or MEFI 4, he is your guy. All right. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.